welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at what $10 million can get you around the world. So let's get started.
In some cities, $10 million will buy you the most glamorous.
Look at this.
It'll get you a pretty simple 2-bedroom apartment with mountain views. But where in the world will $10 million get you the absolute...
Wow, look at this mansion.
What you're looking for, but you have a lot of options. What about an Art Deco mansion in South Africa?
Living the dream.
Penthouse in one of Mumbai's most prestigious skyscrapers. And you definitely don't want to stay
Wow.
in the British Virgin Islands.
Oh man.
Buy around the world for $10 million US. Emirates Hill,
Look at this.
prestigious gated community and home to some of the most luxurious villas in the United Arab Emirates. For exactly $10 million,
Whoa.
nature-inspired villa. The home has a cinema, cigar and wine lounge, dramatic chandeliers, and
Look at the chandelier. Oh.
upstairs you'll find
Whoa.
6 giant bedrooms with full-length walk-in wardrobes, dressing
Look at this.
ensuite bathrooms. There are multiple lounges throughout the home, and a main kitchen plus a service kitchen.
Fancy, fancy.
Outside, there's a water wall, a beautiful
Oh.
outdoor seating area, and a sunken swimming pool. Plus, there are stunning views of the nearby lake. With illuminated stairs,
Whoa.
fireplaces, and natural rocks decorating the entire property,
Just getting better and better.
like anything but royalty while living here. If we head over to South Africa, we'll find one of the most expensive properties in the entire country for sale in Cape Town.
Oh. Yes, your money will go far in Cape Town.
$3 million US. You can buy this modern mansion with amazing uninterrupted.
Wow, look at the architecture.
Home has 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, a stunning glass floating staircase, and an elevator. The entire
Wow.
bathed in natural light, especially the master suite. Plus, there are tons of
So elegant.
sculptures and art pieces built into the house that are sure to impress your guests. A glass wall pulls aside in the living room for easy access to the pool area, which sits in the giant yard next to a seating area and a vibrant green
Wow.
balcony to enjoy those ocean views. And for privacy and safety, the home comes with a sturdy gate and state-of-the-art security.
Yes, security always important.
In the mountains where no one can bother you, might we suggest British Columbia, Canada? For $12.9 million,
Whoa, look at that.
you can buy this gorgeous nature retreat in Whistler. Nestled serenely in the mountains, this 6-bedroom, 7-bathroom home comes
So tranquil. Very nice.
like you're living your best life away from the hustle and bustle of the city. The mansion has 5 fireplaces plus a separate guest house, and outside you'll find a huge yard and heated pool. Your nearby Whistler's.
Wow.
If you want to spend an adventurous day in the snow, then you can return to your home for a
Snow, snow, snow.
cellar, or to enjoy a bath with picturesque views of the mountains right outside your window. If you'd rather combine your love of nature with city life, then this $10 million penthouse in New York City is perfect. It features
Whoa.
space, including an outdoor shower and
Whoa.
reflecting pool.
Doesn't even look like you're in New York City.
Outdoor spaces. The penthouse is built with tons of windows and high ceilings, and it's perfect for an indoor tropical garden. It has 3 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms, and it comes with some of the most charming wallpaper, floors, and features you'll find in it.
Whoa.
Projector that comes down from the wall when you want to turn the living room into a cozy home theater, and a new
That is innovative right there. Pretty smart.
buddy who loves to cook. The reflecting pool outside is level with the kitchen, so you can enjoy the relaxing flow.
Whoa, look at that.
There's also a dumbwaiter that you can use to send food or whatever else you want up to the 2nd floor. If you're looking for the
Wow. Ooh, Paris.
home, then this private mansion in Paris is right up your alley. For 8.4 million euros or $10.1 million, this 7-bedroom mansion with a huge terrace and tons of skylights can be yours. It features spacious rooms and cozy
looks
seating
very
areas in a quiet
spacious.
part of the city that's still conveniently located near the best streets for cafes, shopping, and a walk past the Eiffel Tower. This ultra-Parisian mansion also has an office that might actually make you feel productive. And the two biggest bedrooms come with multiple doors that open up to the yard and its relaxing seating.
Wow, kind of looks like a hotel.
Basement complete with a projector, and thanks to a skylight, this room gets some natural lighting too. If your goal in life is
Very creative.
vacation all
With the architecture.
this Cayman Island oceanfront mansion,
Oh wow, that is a paradise.
and it's exactly $10 million. The inside of the mansion is impressive, with 5 ensuite bathrooms,
Wow.
areas, and marble bathrooms with lots of windows. But it's really the outside that makes this house irresistible.
Look at that, is stunning.
With a cabana bar and outdoor kitchen, but there's also a giant pool and jacuzzi. If that's not enough water,
Very expansive as well.
it's only steps away. You'll get stunning ocean views from the home's balconies, and there's plenty
Wow.
of beaches close by. With soaring ceilings, well-placed skylights, and walls of glass, this $10 million mansion in Beverly Hills, California will have you feeling zen all the time.
This is 10 million.
And while it looks pretty modern from the outside, the inside has a nice old-fashioned feel. There are 3 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and walk-in closets, plus a spacious office. Multiple doors open up to the relaxing yard, which features expansive private grounds with personal pathways and a unique pebble-tech pool with a mini waterfall. There's also an outdoor barbecue and a covered gazebo where you can enjoy the views of Los Angeles from your ultra-private Beverly Hills.
Very expansive as well.
8.2 million euros or 9.9 million US dollars will buy you a piece of.
Wow.
Only minutes away from the Vatican City, this charming penthouse blends together modern living and Italian history, with its vintage green entrance and windows that open wide to let in the Italian sun while offering views of the city's famous architecture. The penthouse has 6 bedrooms,
Oh wow, that's cool.
bathroom. It's spacious and sunny with multiple lounges and a huge kitchen perfect for trying your hand at traditional Italian cuisine. Outside, there's a spacious wooden balcony with a seating area and more city views. And once you step outside, you're only minutes away from some of Rome's most famous tourist attractions and shopping districts. Another stunning apartment is this gem in Mumbai, India.
That's very nice.
Located at Signature Island, a limited edition ultra high-end residential project comprising of 64 luxury units, each with its own deck. It's in Mumbai's central business district and includes amenities like an indoor temperature-controlled swimming pool, health club, and state-of-the-art gym. There's even a landscaped garden with a jogging track, a business center and conference room, and virtual golf.
Wow, this is massive.
It's also in the Bandra Kurla complex, which is the area with the highest concentration of wealth in all of Mumbai. For $10 million, you get this luxury unit, which covers an area of 13,041 square feet and has 6 bedrooms
Whoa.
and 2 powder rooms. The rooms offer gorgeous windows with views of the city, and the dining room is big enough for the grandest of dinner parties. And like all the units in this building, it comes with its own private balcony. Another tropical location where you can snatch a gorgeous mansion for even less than
That was gorgeous.
islands. This gorgeous place is part of the Belmont Estates and goes by the name St. Bernard.
You are literally on top of the mountain.
Every room in this mansion has easy access to the outdoors. A spacious entrance hall leads to the cozy living room, which leads into the beautiful formal dining room. There's also a state-of-the-art kitchen, and the master bedroom features an ensuite bathroom and a private balcony.
Wow.
6 bathrooms in total, with 2 of the bedrooms featuring ensuite bathrooms. The outside of the property is stunning. And not just
So stunning.
there's an infinity edge pool,
Oh.
stone terraces, plus a nearby wet bar and changing room. There are also separate guest cottages. There are covered,
Wow, all included.
each showcasing those gorgeous Caribbean views.
Wow.
Let's head to Moscow, Russia, and the gorgeous Neva Towers complex, located in the modern business district of Moscow City. The complex consists of 2 skyscraper towers, and you can buy this luxury 2-floor penthouse for $10.1 million. Thanks to those amazing glass walls, this penthouse has the most spectacular views of the
Look at that.
night. There are views from every room, but especially
Wow. Oh, whoa.
the penthouse also includes a terrace that makes you feel like you're looking down on the entirety of Moscow City. The building itself
That is insane.
can be open to the outdoors and a grand lobby. Plus, generous seating areas outside where you can enjoy a small fire with friends.
Look at the elegance of that.
It's houses in the world. But $10 million won't get you that far in their real estate market. For 80 million Hong Kong dollars, or about 10.4 million US dollars, you can buy this fairly modest apartment in Woodland Heights. For that,
Oh boy.
3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, but at least the dining and living areas are pretty spacious. What you're really
Oh.
are those incredible views that you can get from your private rooftop patio. It overlooks the district and offers views of the lush green mountains. It's definitely not like living in a palace, but it's still one of the nicer apartments available in Hong Kong, giving you access to
Whoa.
city life nearby. In 2020, Hong Kong had the most expensive residential property market in the world, with an average home costing 1.25 million US dollars.
Whoa. Comment below the place you would really love to live. Apart from the prices of the real estate, where would you really want to live because of the culture, or possibly because of your past experiences, or just something you like about the space? South Africa really did have an amazing paradise of luxury, and that was extremely stunning. And actually, one thing that I never knew was Hong Kong was that type of expensive. That was definitely a shocker. Let us know if you would like to see us react to another one of these, because these were actually pretty interesting. Alright, we shall see you in the next video.